Are you enjoying that? Are you enjoying that treat? It's a mystery to me too. I don't know, Harley. I think it was a present from Panta. I came to my car and lo and behold, there it was. A bag of doggy treats. Delish doggy treats of great deliciousness. I know, and look, Dixie, you have one too. But you don't want yours right now. You're just watching Harley. Well, we just have to thank Panta from the bottom of our hearts, and we're only going to open this gift tonight and enjoy this. And then we're going to, looks like Dixie's moving in to enjoy yours with you, Harley. And we're just, it's a Christmas miracle. Somehow, all these things got into the car. I wonder how they got our keys, and all the elves must have been working on that. Well, it was quite a wonderful treat, wasn't it? Wasn't it a wonderful treat? Wasn't it wonderful? Oh, yes, it was good. It was good. My God, Harley, you're just in 7 levels of heaven there. Well, Merry Christmas to Panta, and thank you very much for your lovely treats. Right, Harley and Dixie? Very delicious.